Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. It is, of course, another part of my series or another video in my series of one eyeshadow only. This is it. Yellow this time, and I added some rhinestones, like fake rhinestones here, just because I feel like it's cute. Yeah, it doesn't really make sense. So it's yellow today, as you can see, and I will just show you, Yes Please palette by Colourpop, and the color Mischief. Don't ask me why it says cute AF in the packaging when it is the Yes Please palette. I don't know. Colourpop. Change this, please. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. And it's literally just one eyeshadow and the concealer, but you will see more of that in the video. So without further ado, let's get started. So I hope this is close enough. I want to use the, oh my god, so close. I want to use the Yes Please palette, even though it says cute AF. Let's just not talk about it. This shade over here, that is Mischief. It's the only yellow color that I have, or the only yellow eyeshadow I have. I'm starting all in the crease, and even above that. This is not yellow. Am I seeing things? No offense, but this is not yellow. Unless my color blindness is kicking in. I mean, when you put it on, it actually is yellow, but the more you blend, the more it turns into orange. See, this is yellow. You put it on, and the more you blend, the more it just turns orange. I don't know. This is a clean brush, okay? I don't understand this. Honestly, I honestly don't understand this. Then I'm gonna use some concealer. I've never done a cut crease before, so I know you should look up. This is where it's supposed to go, right? God, why is it so difficult? Actually, what I want to do is, well, this is still wet. I actually want to go in with the yellow shade and then just tap that on. Now it's yellow. What the hell? I don't understand this. Also, when you apply it, you can clearly see it has some, obviously, some orangey golden undertones. But in the pan, it looks straight up yellow. It doesn't really make sense. Kind of like this. Then I go back in with the fluffy brush and then just try to blend it. Can you believe this is one shadow only? No, you can't. This is actually really fun. Now, granted, I'm really applying this in a sloppy manner, and you probably should take some more time to do this. But, you know, it could be worse. Also, tomorrow I'm cutting my hair, which is very, very exciting. You know, that I want to donate it to charity, you know, so they can make wigs out of it. And I'm feeling it. Now, granted, usually you should have very long hair in order to donate it. I mean, I think you need like 17 centimeters. I don't know what it is in inches. I don't know. And yes, I've cut my hair throughout the years, so it is not as long as it probably could be. but I'm still trying to donate it. So like this. I actually kind of like it. So let me clean this up, apply concealer, maybe a liner, and then we just continue. Okay, so this is what I have currently. I just put some concealer on, some powder, some liner, and some mascara. I don't want to do anything on the lower lash line because I feel like there's already enough. But what I have here, let me just clean this off a little. Give me a moment. So I have a bunch of these things here. These are just some rhinestones, like sticky rhinestones. And I want to do either one or a few of these. Like one in my inner corner for sure, and then the rest we'll just see. So maybe I use the yellow flower one. Just put it on my hand like this so it's not as sticky. And then I just put it in my inner corner. I just said it in a very weird way, I'm sorry. Also, I need to look into the mirror because otherwise I don't see it. That's actually really cute. Now, from a distance, you probably don't see that it's a flower, but it is a flower, trust me. Other side too. I like it. Oh my god, that's very, very cute. I think for the rest, I'll just do one over here. You know, as a continuation from the liner, then a very small one at the end. Like this. The other side too, obviously. Now please, do not do this as well, okay? I don't know if this is eye safe, it probably isn't. But do it anyway. Now if this is not getting me a repost on Colourpop's Instagram, then I don't know what it is. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not doing this for a repost. I'm just doing this because it's actually very beautiful. So this is it. This is the finished look. I actually kind of like it. It's kind of like, it's not like your typical eye look that you would do. The rhinestones, the sticky rhinestones, they don't feel that bad. I can still close and open my eyes. I think it's actually kind of cute. Would I wear this out? Probably not, but it is cute. I actually kind of like this. I really do like this. I think it's absolutely adorable. So, and it again goes to show that you can do a lot with just one eyeshadow. Now granted, I'm a bit annoyed that this looks very orange once you blend it out, but if you have it just on normally, it still looks yellow, right? I mean, it has faded a little, but it's still rather yellow. I like it. I think it's actually kind of cool. I feel like straight out of the 70s. Maybe that's what I call this. 70s inspired look. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will post another poll that you can vote on. I think we only have 2 colors left, right? Pink and what was the other one? I hope you enjoyed this video, like I said, and let me know what you think of this. Do you like it or not? And I'll see you next video. Bye. Hello! Hello! It's me! My god, it's been a while since I've done a video, and I kind of forgot how to do it. So let me just get you closer to me. Get some lip balm on, and then look at this. That is normal for EOS lip balm, so right, it's like sunken in all the way. And let me know what other. So let me just get my hair down as well. So then I'm gonna. Okay, let's go.